In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to self-publish on Amazon. Let's get started. First, sign into your Kindle Direct Publishing KDP account using your Amazon account or create one if you don't already have one. Once you are logged in, complete your author and payment information so you can receive royalties from your book sales. Next, click create and choose whether you want to publish a Kindle ebook, paper book, or hardcover. Enter your book title, author name, description, keywords, and categories to help readers discover your book. Then upload your completed manuscript and your book cover, preview your book to make sure everything looks correct, and fix any formatting issues if needed. After that, choose the regions where you want to sell your book, set your list price, and select your royalty option if available. Finally, review all the details and click publish. After Amazon completes its review process, your book will become available for customers to purchase. If a book is enrolled in KDP Select, eligible Amazon Prime members may also be able to access it through Prime Reading depending on Amazon's eligibility requirements and availability. That's it. Your book is now published and ready to reach readers around the world. So this way you can easily self-publish on Amazon. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.